The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Don't try that, you! Don't try that! Don't try that! Go fuck! Bring your foot! Don't try that thing! You on the bus! You on the bus! You on the bus!
Alright, viewers and subscribers. The first things first, I want to big up every hustler, right? I talk people where I make them honest bread. You see, from a man now rob, and him not kill, and him not stealing, and him not do anything that is illegal to make them money, I want to beat them up. Cause you know why? Them a try to make it in an honest way, somehow, some way. You get what I say to you? Alright, that's the first thing. Now, viewers and subscribers, this way see right here so shows a video that them say that it is competition. Yes, it's a competition for passengers for public passenger vehicles. Now, you have a thing where they call Loadermen. You see me I say? For some reason, this thing that is known as Loadermen has been mentioned on news report. It mentioned a lot. You see me? Some people start calling it a profession. You get me? Some people start to call it a profession. But viewers and subscribers, this video is out on social media, and the question when we really and truly have to ask behind this video is that, is it that they were fighting or a play them a play? You get what I'm saying to you, like they're playing? Because some people on social media say that these men that are in competition for passengers for their vehicle were fighting, and some people are saying no, I saw them stay, them ramp some of the time in the street. Now sometimes I hear some complaints say that doctor man harassing them when them trying to get on a bus, or a taxi man harass them when them try to look at taxi, or loader man harass them. You hear these kind of complaints, as well as you hear good things from the public about these loaderman and taximan and conductors, you know. So it's a half and half. You hear good things, you hear bad things about, you know, about them, you know. Now you see the harassment part, where you see people are being harassed by taximen, conductors or loaderman to put them on a public passenger vehicle. You know what I mean? That part where you see people holding people handbag and take it away from them to lead them in a bus, or holding them by the hand and pulling them. No, that part is not a good thing, and nobody should do that. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, I am going to show you another video, viewers and subscribers, and this video is another example of what it's like with the whole competition for getting passengers for the public passenger vehicles in Jamaica. Alright, so take a look at this and observe. Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it with you. I was trying to explain what is Loaderman, or the competition between Loaderman, taximan and busman for getting passengers for their public passenger vehicle. You have to bear in mind that a lot of people that watch DancehallSkilla's channel is not from Jamaica, or might have not been in Jamaica for a while, so letting them know what's going on right about now, I think it might be a good thing if they are interested to know. Is what I'm saying to you. Alright, so until the next time, you can let me know what you think about what I just presented to you. You see me I say, my name is DancehallSkilla. No big up on yourself. You see it.